Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying core prerequisites, updated GeForce Experience and drivers. Once done, open the in-game overlay with Alt+Z and make sure recording is enabled and allowed in Windows privacy settings. This prevents access blocks. Next, restart NVIDIA-related services in Services. MSC so corrupted sessions clear. This often resolves transient failures. If Windows reports missing permissions, grant microphone and background app access. These first actions re-establish the app's ability to capture. Once basic access is confirmed, adjust capture settings to match your display. Mismatched resolution or high frame rates can cause recording to fail. Make sure to disable other overlays and recording tools because they conflict with the NVIDIA overlays hook into games. Then run GeForce Experience as administrator to ensure it can control driver components. If recordings still fail, perform a clean driver install using the custom install option. This removes residual driver files that can break the encoder. To finish, perform a short recording test in a non-demanding environment so you can iterate quickly. Watch the output file location and file size to confirm encoding worked. If problems persist, switch encoders between NVENC and software fallback where available because GPU encoder bugs are sometimes driver-specific. Finally, reset the in-game overlay in settings or roll back to the previous driver version. Doing so often undoes recent changes that introduced bugs. If nothing helps, collect logs and contact NVIDIA support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.